Okay, junkies. Well, a very sharp-eyed subscriber in the comments mentioned, hey, where's the dipstick? I'm like, what's this guy talking about? So I had to go back, watch the video. Now this is like 2 in the morning, and I'll be damned. Where the hell is the dipstick? You know, I was up all night thinking about this. It's early in the morning. We just opened up, and the first thing I did was come look at this. Now, I know we had it because we checked the oil the other day. Well, just like every other project you start, add something to the list. Come on, guys. Let's get this car in the shop and check out what's going on underneath. As long as I can remember, I always wanted to be a junk man. Okay, well, the old SS is here in the Paradise garage. We're going to lift her up, take a good look underneath, see what the problem with this clutch is, or if we can. But we're going to get up here, up and away. Hey, junkies, what are we going to call this car? We had the blunt stain, we had the Junkspedition. Gotta come up with a name for this. Every project needs a name. Anyhow, let's get this up in the air and get underneath, see what we got. Okay, car's up on the lift, guys. We got Roman. Say hello, Roman.
Hello.
And we got Juan Bravo. And for moving forward, we're just gonna call him Bravo, not Juan Bravo. And guys, I'm kind of hunched under the car here because I'm about 8 to 10 inches taller than these guys. And that's not saying much because I'm only about 6'2", but, well, let's just say I'm having a Willy Wonka moment. Anyhow, okay, here's our issue. We're having a problem, and I don't know if it's the clutch or whatever else it may be. The car, when it's on, won't go into gear. If we turn the car off, put it into gear, and start the car, it'll drive. Pull it out of gear, and that's it. It won't go into any other gears. Turn the car off, put it into reverse, start it, it goes in reverse. Pop it out of reverse and try to get any of the gears, no other gears will engage. So, to tell you the truth, I'm not sure if it's the clutch, if there's maybe a fail-safe since it does need a clutch and the computer is sending some messages not to allow it to go into gear. So we're gonna have to get some help on this. I just sent out a WhatsApp to a bunch of guys that I know are mechanics to work on cars. We hit up West over at Complete Toilet Garage, old Peg at Zip Ties and Plies Plies. Even sent a message out to Lord Muck over in England to see if he has any of these issues. And we're probably gonna make a call to Eric O. I think cameraman's gonna give Eric O a call and see what it is. You know, I don't want to go ahead and waste the time and change the clutch, and all we have to do is change a relay or a sensor. I did look online. I went to the old lube tube, as Peg calls it, to look at some videos, but I really couldn't find anything. So that's where we're at right now, but not to waste any time since the car's up, I think we're going to get rid of these old catalytic converters here. I mean, since this car is not going to be street legal when we're done with it, it doesn't matter. So if it's going to go on a track or go to shows, we really don't need to have cats since it's not going to be inspected for street use. So I think we're going to go ahead and pop those off. And while we wait and see, so hopefully we get an answer, we can figure this out. You know, everything else looks okay. Notice it has, you know, little nicks and pings. Things have been repaired before, but here's our issue right now. So before we go ahead and figure out what we're doing, because again, I have no idea what we're going to do with it once we get it mechanically fit. I mean, we're not going to make another blunt stang. We've done that already, and the blunt stang was actually inspired by Cletus's Corvette, you know, Leroy. So that's been done. That was a couple of years ago, and a lot of people have done those videos where they're, you know, chopping out. Let me get up, folks, so that you can see. I was sitting in a chair because it's so short under here. Anyhow, like I was saying, those videos, so, you know, we made those cars already, chopped it apart, you know, Leroy. As a matter of fact, so many people have done those videos now after the last couple of years. A lot of guys are chopping cars up. So let's see. Hopefully we'll come up with a good idea, figure out what to do. But in the meantime, let's get the cats off, get the guys in here, get them under the car. And, let's hear how she sounds, and hopefully I'll hear some information soon. If any of you guys have any ideas, if this is something you know about or no issues with these cars, please help. Okay, well, we're working on the cats here. We got Oompa and Loompa here working. I'm sitting in the chair. I'm sorry, guys. You know I'm joking. Stop it. Come on, Bravo. And they're working on the cats. I'm still, we just sent out a message, like I said, to the people, to our friends, to see what's going to go on. In the meantime, we get these cats out and, well, let's see how she sounds. Now, okay, whatever we're going to do with this car, it's going to be a convertible. Or the roof is coming off, or we're putting T-tops of some sort, because with the collision here, it's really hard for me to get in and out of the car, and this is in the way. So again, it's going to be a convertible, maybe T-tops, maybe a gurney bubble. You guys know what a gurney bubble is? Look it up. Some of you do, some of you don't. But anyhow, not so bad. Actually, once I'm in, I have plenty of room in the car. But I know what you want. You want to hear it. So let's crank it up and see. Getting ready to go away. We're going to put her up on a rack. Except I was just noticing it was sitting next to this van. Look at this purple van. It reminds me of Barney. Maybe that's what we have to do. Maybe we have to do some sort of dinosaur shit to this car. Who knows? I love you, you love me. How's this song go? I don't know. Okay, junkies. Well, the car's put away for now. We had to get it off the lift. We had to do some, bring another car up on the lift. We spoke to a few people who've already said it's definitely the clutch. So I'm in the office. I'm about to go online, order the clutch. Probably take a day or so to get that. So hope you enjoy the video. Like, comment, subscribe. The next video is probably going to be us removing the tranny, popping in the clutch, and going from there. So everybody, again, have a great day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you come back for part 3, and see you soon.